Good day, friends. Today I would like to show you how to prepare black garlic. Black garlic has been known throughout the history as one of the best natural health remedies available. I'm sure you heard about it, and I will not spend time trying to tell you the benefits of this black garlic. You can research yourself and find out how good it is for you. I prepare this on monthly basis and have a few black garlics every day myself, and if friends and families come home, I ask them to have some as well. This fermentation will make the garlic lose its smell altogether, and it will be tasting like chocolate, and the taste is absolutely nice, and no smell, and all the benefits. For this, in order to make the black garlic, we need a black garlic fermenter or an electric rice cooker, one of them. The fermenter, the garlic fermenter, is you can also do the kimchi or sweet wine or fruit wine with it, or even vinegar or yogurt. So what we need to do is to put some garlics into a rack that is provided. Make sure you get the garlic that has got the fat cloves. The larger the cloves, the better. So you put it on both garlic on the both racks and close the gate and put it inside the fermenter, and set it to either garlic or set it to 6 days. I found 6 days to be the best because you don't want to dry the garlic. So when you set it up, you just leave it like that. Maybe a day or two before, you can come and taste it and see how it is. And if you find it good enough, you just remove it from the fermenter and peel it. So if you don't have a fermenter, it doesn't matter. You can use an electric rice cooker. But for electric rice cooker that I'm going to show you, you don't put it on the cook. You put it on the warmer. You get something like this to put on the bottom of the cooker and add the garlics on top of it. You can find anything that shapes like that so that the air gets through the garlic and it doesn't stick to the sides. So then you close it and put it on the warmer. Make sure it's not on the cook, because then you will burn it. So just the warmer, and wait for it for about 5 to 6 days. Then turn the garlic over and wait a few days to see, keep checking to see when it's ready. Both methods work very well, and I'm sure you can find a rice cooker anywhere you're living. Now for this purpose, I'm going to put the garlics in the racks and put them in the garlic fermenter and set it up for 6 days, or you can press the button that says garlic. But I found that, as I said, 6 days would be enough. Now we come back again in 6 days and see what we have done. Now 6 days has passed. We are going to open the garlic fermenter and get the garlics out. As you can see, the color has changed. Now we take them out of the rack and peel them. I just show you one and then do the rest off the camera and show you how. Now I bring the camera down so that you can see what I will be doing. Now we peel the garlic and you can see the garlic is no longer white, it's black and it's soft, and it is there is absolutely no smell, and it's delicious. It's just like chocolate. You don't believe me? Try it. So that's one garlic that is done, and maybe okay, I got a few more in here. That's it. That's one garlic. I will do the rest off the camera and get back to you. Now all the garlics have been peeled. As you can see, I've got a container full, and I'll show you how soft it is, and it's better than chocolate. Just try it. Now you can also put it in a jar, put the garlic in a jar, and add apple cider vinegar to it, and you can keep it forever like that. This garlic in apple cider vinegar is going to double its benefits, and it's a medicine that you should have every day. It's fantastic. Take it from me. Oh, I hope you like the introduction.